My name is Vitas and today is 2 months since I shaved my beard. In this video I will do my 2-month beard trim and I will tell you how to deal with an itchy beard. You can do what I do, just be a man and suffer through it. The itch is gonna last only for a week or 2 weeks. And then it's gonna go away. After growing my beard out for 2 or 3 times, I no longer get an itchy beard. I used to get an itch on my lower neck, so what you can do is just trim that part down. I wouldn't advise to do that because after a couple of weeks the hair is gonna grow back and you're gonna have the same problem. Another thing which you already should be doing is to keep the beard clean and moisturized. You should wash your beard every day and after let it dry naturally. I personally only shampoo my beard once or twice a week, but I do rinse it with fresh water every day. Also consider getting some beard oil, which will moisturize your skin under the beard. A healthy lifestyle helps too. Proper rest, no stress, and a healthy balanced diet. Normally the itch is gonna go away after a week or 2, so hang in there. Personally, I don't get an itchy beard anymore. Alright, so I'm gonna do my 2-month beard trim. I'm gonna do the same thing I did last month. Do the top line the size possible, and the bottom line I'm gonna do the same. This is how I looked 2 months ago. This is how I looked a month ago. And this is how I look right now. This is it for today.